I check out this World War II Foot Locker. I just picked it up at Goodwill, and I paid like $15 for it. But looks like they tried to sell it at a specialty shop for like $200. But I picked it up $15. Look at these old hinges. Old style lock. Somebody tried to pry it open. But I looked, the individual's name is still on there, and I looked him up. He was a lieutenant colonel, and he was in the Coast Guard in World War II. Checked out, I think it was 2010. But it's got the leather strap, leather straps go right here, and there's one on the other side. Look at these old style hinges. Or this is aluminum, probably 1/16 inch aluminum frame, and some type of wood for the inserts. And on the bottom, the address is, his name's on the front, so I'm not going to show the front, but the bottom has a support right there. But pretty cool looking. Let me see if I can show without giving too much. Well, the hinges were made different back then. It was a piece of a rod. Let me see if I can show the hinges, how the hinges were made. I don't want to cover up the guy's name. But look at the way the hinges were made. It's just sheet metal, cut sheet metal, and folded over a rod. Probably I don't know what size rod that could be. Not a 1/4 inch, but a little bit less, maybe 3/16, something like that. And just sheet metal folded over to make a hasp. Pretty cool. And the whole thing's painted an OD green. Remember, wood on the top and the sides. And check out this cool interlock and stuff to keep it square. And this was you can see where the tie strap, some kind of cargo, probably that metal. When you're shipping, you have a metal bands. This is indented on both sides, all the way around. So it's been shipped a lot. It's got several addresses on it, painted over and stuff. But pretty cool looking. The whole thing weighs about 16 pounds, maybe 15, 16 pounds. But that's vintage. And pick up a lot of stuff, old stuff, World War II stuff, Vietnam era stuff at Goodwill. That you have your, people have their memories of the past, and the kids hang on to it, and then the grandkids, that's just something just laying around, and they just, instead of throwing it away, they send it to Goodwill. But that's it right there. I might try to restore it. I think I might try to restore it, sand it all up, and repaint it. It looks like it's been painted a couple times. I don't know. I just sanded it all down and painted OD green, and this has been painted black all the way around here. Everything else is OD green, but that's the original color down here at the bottom. So plain old OD green. All right, pretty cool. Add to my collection.